Hey guys, Griffin Cooper here from Ablewaytech, and we're getting ready to kick off the next wave of our Applied Systems Development course starting on July 11th with 12 weeks of live coaching with Zoom question and answer sessions. This course was developed with Dr. Ken Long and is focused on putting Ken's trading concepts into practice for intraday and swing trading. We're going to be doing a lot of hands-on learning during this session. We're going to start with the chart setups, all the indicators you need. We'll learn the basic principles of the Kata challenge strategy. Then we're going to practice the Kata challenge together, identifying the patterns one by one, comparing the notes as a group, doing 6 weeks of practice. And then we're going to learn some advanced strategies and techniques using the plan, prepare, execute, and assess model where we find the movers, including some advanced exit techniques that you can start applying in your own trading. We'll teach about assessing your trades and then the possible next steps, whether you want to continue with the Kata challenge or build your own systems for strategy diversification. Here's a quick look at our live Zoom sessions for our coaching that's going to be recorded. Again, we're going to go through how to set up your trading indicators, answer all your questions about them. We're going to start practicing finding the SSC patterns during the week. Next, we're going to look at finding the collapsing dragon patterns, then finding the Kata 2 patterns. And each week we'll circle back as a group and review all the different patterns we found, together with patterns I found, and compare our results. And then we'll start combining the patterns, learning about chain trading, such as the SSC pattern combined with the collapsing dragon patterns, or the collapsing dragon pattern combined with the Kata 2 short patterns. And we'll start to practice different exit techniques. We'll review the planning, preparing, executing, and assessing part of the trading process. This is going to be really helpful for anyone new to trading, as well as those traders looking to sharpen their skill sets. Go to ablewaytech.com for more details, and I hope you can join us.